If you've wondered how to create a beautiful smoky, foxy eye look, this is the tutorial for you. Learn this in just a few minutes. So if you're ready, let's get to it. First, we're going to prime our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're going to be applying this all over the eyelid. Apply some to the brow too. Next, we're going in with the Bobbi Brown black eyeliner, and we're going to line the lower lash line. And then we're going to pull it like a wing. Apply some of this to the upper lash line too. Don't be too precise, we're going to smoke it out soon. Now with the smudger brush, let's buff that all to make it smooth and remove any harshness. Again, you don't have to be too precise, just make sure it's blended well. And this is how the eye should look. Now go in with a bit more product to make it a bit more darker and a bit more smoky. Blend this out like before. You can increase the intensity as much as you like. And now with the Tarte Bejeweled palette, we're going to be using this dark brown shade. And now we are also going to go in with the Rephr 13 brush, and we're going to apply the shadow on the lid. Try to focus this a bit near where you've made it smoky before. Again, you can build the intensity as much as you like. Do the same on the lower lash line. I'm going to build up a bit more color to make it a bit more smoky and give me a slightly intense look. Repeat the same on the bottom lash line too. Now I'm going to use the new MAC concealer to clean out any harshness or any imperfections on the wing. Use a flat brush for this step. And now try to blend it out as much as you can with the brush. Make it nice and sharp. And now with the sponge, which is linked in the description, buff that out into the skin. Your eye should look something like this at this stage. Don't forget to curl your lashes. I'm using the Lily Lashes lash curler. And now go in with a nice volumizing mascara. And let's apply that on the upper and lower lashes. I love using the Fenty Beauty one because it gives me instant volume and length. And this is how you create the beautiful smoky foxy eye look. I hope this video helped you, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks so much guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy Siren eye look. This look is all about elongating your eyes, which will change the way it looks. So if you're ready, let's get into today's video. To start off, we're going to be using the Trini London Just a Touch concealer, and this is in the shade Santa. I like applying this all over the eyes, but this one can also be used as a foundation. A multi-use product for sure. Next, I'm going in with the Inglot Gold and Gifts eyeshadow palette and going in with this matte shade, and with the E25 Sigma brush, let's apply that on the eye. Make sure all your movements are outwards and upwards. This will ensure you get a lifted look. You can build up the color as much as you like, but keep it as minimal as possible. Now with the deeper shade and with the Rephr brush, which is a bit more precise, let's apply that to exactly where we did the previous shade. This step will give your eyes a bit more definition. Again, remember to keep the movements upwards and outwards. Build it up till it's slightly smoky because we're going to add the next step. Now I'm using any black eyeliner. This is the Bobbi Brown waterproof black eyeliner, and I feel that this is smudge proof and it's also waterproof. Take that and start creating a slight wing. Apply some eyeliner towards the top lashes too. Now with an eyebrow brush from Jessup, which is E07, let's blend that out. You don't have to be too precise with this, because this step we are smoking out the eye look. Always tightline the upper lash line too, just where we stopped the previous step. And apply the eyeliner to the half of the bottom lash line. Don't go any further. Do the same towards the inner corner as well. Focus on where I'm placing the eyeliner because this will change the way your eyes will look. Now with the shade Renegade, let's go and smoke that out. I'm using the Rephr 03 brush here. Do that on the lower lash line too. And now for the wing, I like to use a very precise fine brush. I like going in with any eyebrow brush. And let's tightline the upper lash line and also bring out the wing. The slimmer, the better. Now for the inner corner, just bring it out slightly as well. Do that on both the lash lines. Back in with this matte shade, go in with a blending brush and apply that on the bottom lashes. This will just give you continuity in the look. Using the MAC concealer, I'm going to be cleaning out the wing. For this step, make sure you're using a flat brush and blend that out onto the skin. Now take your lash curler and I want you to angle it outwards and curl your lashes. Don't tug the eye or pull any lashes out. Going in with the L'Oreal Panorama mascara, which will give me extreme volume, I'm going to be applying this in outward direction too. The best part of this mascara is that it doesn't clump up at all, but gives you insane volume and length. And on the bottom lash line, applied outwards too. And towards the inner corner, you want to bring it slightly down. And there you have it, guys. That's the easiest beginner-friendly Siren eye look. I hope you enjoyed my first video of 2025. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys again. Bye.